Hello everyone. So today I'm building a body for SDC California. So that's pretty cool. Doing another Challenger, as you can see. And I am putting a wide body kit on it, and I'm going to show you this last piece. So I did the first three already, and then I'm going to show you this last piece right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and just do the painting process and all that. So yeah, go ahead and get started with this. And then I'll show you how I install it, and then I'll just show you the regular painting process I do. So this wide body kit is the number 9 kit from Sideways RC, I believe. And yeah, so as you can see, I already poked holes in them. And how I did that was with a thumbtack. So I just took the thumbtack, I put it where I wanted the hole, and then I just put pressure on it till it went through. And that makes it pretty easy to get the screws in there initially. And then once I have it on here, I just put a screw through there. I have some tape to hold it in place, and then I just screw until it goes in through the body. Also, you kind of see on the back side here, screws do poke out, so be careful. I did cut slits so the body can bend upwards and kind of mesh nicely. I don't have them fully meshed nicely yet because I want to paint it first, but once I have it painted already, I'll kind of bend them upwards a bit so they mesh nicely. But yeah, I'll go ahead and get this last one installed. And then after that, I just kind of test fitment and whatnot. And then I'm going to take these off and then paint this and paint these separately with it off. Just so paint gets applied evenly, because if we look under here, obviously paint won't get into some spots that overlap, and that wouldn't look good. So yeah, go ahead, get this one installed. Like I said, put it on here, some tape to hold it on where I want it, and then start putting the screws in. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash all the oil out the inside. I'm just going to use some of this. It's always what I've used. Seems to work pretty good. Obviously going to wash the oil out on here too. And so yeah, I just put a little water in here, spray some of this around, and then just scrub it off with the dark blue side of the sponge, or the abrasive side. Alright, I got them all washed up and dried them all off as best as I can. I'm going to let them air dry for a little while. Then I'm going to go ahead and get started with painting. So I'm outside now, and the first color we are going to do is PS45 Translucent Purple. So I'm going to go ahead and get this on the grass, and then do a nice thin layer of this right away, and then on these as well. So I got the first layer done. I actually forgot to put the window masks on. So they are a little purple, the windows. I just ordered some paint cleaner, Tamiya paint remover, to see if that will work. I'll give you an update once that comes in. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue the body now with the window masks on, and just keep chugging along at it. So with it being as warm as it is out today, these are actually drying pretty fast, which is nice. Go ahead and go up with dark metallic blue next, PS59. And I'm gonna do like a really solid layers with these. I want this to kind of be like the main color almost. And then I have 2 more colors planned after this, so it'll look pretty good. So I got the blue down. It's looking really good. I'm gonna keep going until this can is empty, and then I'm gonna swap colors. Kind of tempted to do a second can because this one is almost empty, but I think I'll just stick with the one for now. Blue is looking pretty good. Mr. Doggy thinks so too. And yeah, up next we're gonna go with Pearl White PS57 to just as a backer, and then after this I'm gonna do black on top of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing this, and then keep on going. Alrighty, got a bunch of white on there like I said I would, and now we have black. So this is gonna be the last layer, last color. This one can's kind of halfway. I do have another can, so I should be fine, but yeah. And then once this is done, I'm gonna let it dry for a while, probably at least 24 hours, but probably longer because I want to wait for that paint cleaner for the windows that I forgot to mask. And then yeah, so it'll probably be like a week or so later when you see the next clip. I mean, it'll be a couple seconds for you, but it'll be a week later for me. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Alrighty, it's a couple days later. Body is well dry. And obviously, if you remember, accidentally got a little bit purple on the windows. So got some of this stuff. I'm gonna try it out. Got some of these to kind of dunk it in, and they got some towels to dry it. So I'm gonna go ahead, put this over, rip the window masks off, and I'll give it a try. Alrighty, got my Q-tip. Gonna dunk it in there. Get a little wet. Careful not to get on anything else. And I'm gonna start rubbing. This kind of, see, it's coming off a little bit already. I don't have much on there, so it shouldn't take long. Oh yeah, see it on the Q-tip right there. So I'm gonna keep going at it until it looks pretty clear. But I think this is working. So that's good to know. And I'll pop back in with you guys once I got this good. So it's looking pretty good. What I found is once it starts kind of breaking up using like little to no pressure, start using a bit more pressure and it starts to break up pretty easy. I gotta find out a way to get rid of all these like streak lines on here, but once I do that, it should be good. But yeah, almost done. And then I just gotta do the other windows, and then I guess we'll start peeling off the foil or the plastic on the outside. And I do think some of the wide body pieces I got have a little bit of overspray in it. So we can try this on the outside of the Lexan as well. Honestly, turned out pretty good, especially for the first time using it. There's still a little bit of streak lines, and then obviously there you can see the scratch marks from when I try to scratch off the paint. We'll see how the other ones turn out, especially once I get the plastic film off. I'm gonna keep going on those. Probably not gonna show them until they're all done. But yeah, this stuff works really good. You do run through a lot of Q-tips though, and I'm assuming you'll run through more if you're doing like thicker paint. But yeah, super happy with this so far, and I'm gonna keep going at it. I got all the windows cleared up pretty good. Probably about 95 to 99% of the purple off. I'm sure I missed a spot or two somewhere. But yeah, they're pretty clear now. I did go through a lot of Q-tips, as you can see. So, well, you will use quite a bit. At least I did, and I didn't have a really thick layer on there. But yeah, I think it's time to start ripping off the film. I got a little piece here, and here goes nothing. Wow, look at the color already. Oh my god. Can't wait to get the rest of this off. Alrighty, look at this. Wow. That looks so good. It looks a bit brighter on camera. It's a little bit darker in person. But wow, I think this looks really good. This window's a bit foggy right here. Hopefully that's okay. Not sure if that's from the film or not. Maybe there's like a slight thin layer on there, because this one's up front's pretty clear, but these are foggy. So I wonder, because I did the front one last night and I did these this morning, so I wonder if over time these will clear up slightly. But wow, loving this color. Ooh, what is that? Oh, it's like a little. All right, now I gotta go get the wide body parts. I'm just in love with this color, man. Wow. I'm gonna try to get a close-up for you guys with like a flashlight on it so you can really see the pop and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab the wide body pieces and put them on. So up close with like light on it, dude. Yeah, you can really see all the flake in there. You can kind of see how it's like purple kind of where there's less light, more blue where there is light, which is exactly what I wanted. Wow, I'm really proud of myself with this one. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab those wide body pieces. I'll show you guys those, and then in probably about a week or so, I'll record the next clip, and that'll be like all the stickers and stuff, because I do have a custom livery for this. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab those wide body pieces now. So I got one of the wide body pieces here, and as you can see, there is a bit of overspray on the edge. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that same process with this and see if that will come off. I'm assuming it will, but we'll see, and I'll update you guys, obviously. Came off literally no problem, not even kidding you. It took like 10 seconds. But yeah, gonna go ahead, got the rest of those there. I'll go ahead and start installing these on. So I got all the wide bodies on. Looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and get the magnets on here for the magnet mounts. I already have a video of me doing how I do the magnet mounts, so I'm not gonna show that process again. But if you don't know, it's pretty simple. You just put the body over. Then you're gonna take spare magnets that you have, which I have right here. Just put them over the top. Then you tape them down, flip it over, put those magnets, and then double side those on. I use this, and then you're basically all good from there. But yeah, I have a whole other video of me doing that, so I'm not going to show the process, but I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Got the magnets all mounted up. Looking pretty good. It's a little tucked in the rear, as I said, but I'm okay with that. But yeah, hopefully I'll have the stickers soon. Should be getting them sometime later this week. I have like the regular stickers, like headlights and stuff. But I'm hoping to get the regular stickers later this week and ready for California. And then I'm gonna go ahead and paint some window trim on here, and I'll show you guys my process of doing that as well. Never done it before, but I'm gonna try it, so we'll see. And then I think I'm gonna paint the duckbill back here black, and probably the splitter up here black, and then maybe the side piece right here black. I'm not sure. Duckbill for sure, splitter probably for sure, and then maybe the back piece over here, but we'll see. But yeah, loving how this is looking so far. And the next clip you'll see is me putting the stickers on. One more thing before I jump to the stickers clip. I actually weighed the body compared to the other body, and this one is 100 grams lighter, and then probably due to the lights, no lights versus the other one having lights. So dropped about 100 grams, just a bit less, and that's pretty interesting. So we'll see how the car handles now with it being a bit lighter. But yeah, all right, now to the stickers. So I got like this like window trim kind of painter thing and taped off this end, and I'm gonna paint up the windows, or the window trim I should say. And then I think I'm gonna paint all the bottom stuff too in the wing. We'll see when I'm done. I'll show you guys. But yeah, just kind of taped it up. I'm gonna do a little bit at a time, wait for it to dry, and then keep going. But this kind of reminds me of nail polish. I wonder if that's what it is, but I bought it on Super G, and it was supposedly for this. So I'll keep you guys updated with what's going on. So I ended up scrapping the window idea, and I ended up just cutting out the stickers, because the stickers came with tint, and so I cut them out just so there's not tint, because you're not allowed to have like tint or nothing. The window's got to be clear for SDC. But I did do the front splitter right here with that nail polish. I did this little side trim piece down there, and then if I turn the car around, I did the wing or the duckbill, and I did this bottom piece right here. And also, as you can see, you notice I've done all the other stickers. So I just did the regular stickers at the moment. I will be getting the livery tomorrow, and I will show you guys that obviously once I had it all put on. But yeah, car is looking really good right now. Really, really loving how it's turned out so far. But yeah, so I'll come back with the livery, and then that'll probably be the end of the video after that. So just a little bit away, and then you guys will see it. Alrighty, we got the livery here, and I got the car. I'm gonna go ahead and get these stickers kind of cut out and put on, and then you guys will get a little montage of the new body. I'm super excited, and yeah, go ahead and start chopping these up and getting them on. And here we are, not too shabby looking, full livery, and obviously all of the stickers and all that too. Yeah, there are a couple things I would change now that I have it in place. Like for example, like a white background on here, so it kind of looks a little bit nicer. It's the black on the dark blue, we can't really see that too well, which kind of sucks, but it's whatever. Just something to think about for next time I do a livery, just maybe to have like a white or not do dark on dark. But yeah, it's not too bad at all. I am going to reveal this at Casa tomorrow, and then I'll probably show some driving clips, and that will be the end of the video. I do hope you guys enjoy. I am leaving for California in a couple days for SDC, so I'm going to vlog that. And yeah, go ahead and just enjoy some clips of this bad boy driving. And then I'm going to start getting ready for California.
Video camera to me, sir.